Question 15. The table shows information about the weights in kilograms of 40 parcels. So we have weights of parcels between 0 and 1 kilogram. There are 19 of them. There are 12 parcels that are between 1 and 2, 5 between 2 and 3, so on and so forth. Write down the modal class. That is the group, because effectively these are just the classes there. Classes are the group that has the most in it. Well, the 0 to 1 group, the 0 to 1 class, has 19, which is a bigger number and bigger frequency than any of the others. So I'll just circle that. So 0 to 1 is the modal class. Part B, work out an estimate for the mean weight of parcels. Well, the mean would be the total weight of all the parcels divided by the number of parcels. The number of parcels, we were told in the question at the top, was 40. 40 parcels. This number can also be found if we add together all of the frequencies. So if you add together all of these numbers here, you would end up with 40 there. So in the event the question didn't give you that, that would be where you'd get our number from. So we know that we're going to be dividing something by 40. Common mistake people make is they think we're dividing by 5 because there's 5 groups. If you get that, your answer won't make sense, and like I said, it's a common mistake people make. So the real fun in this is where we get the total weight from. Now, we don't know the exact weights of these parcels. We know the classes, the groups that they fall into. And for each group, there is a minimum and a maximum value. And how we go about dealing with this in terms of our estimate is that we pick the number that's in between. So these are referred to as the midpoints. You could say the mid-interval value. It's another way of saying it. Either way, it's the middle of each group, the middle of each class. So the middle of 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, so on and so forth. These values are as follows: 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, and 4.5 are the mid values. Now, because of the fact that we have 19 of these 0.5s, or 19 numbers that are in this group, but we're using them as 0.5s, if we multiply these together, we get what I like to call the mini totals. So it's the total of all the parcels in the first group or class, and then we find the total of them in the second, the third, so on and so forth. So what we do is we take all of these mid-interval values, or these midpoints, and multiply them by their frequencies. If we do that, we're going to get the following number. 9.5 kilograms will be the estimated total weight from the first class. We then have 18, 12.5, 7, and 9. So each of these times we're just multiplying the numbers together. Add all them up, we end up with 56 kilograms in total. So that is an estimate, I should put here, our estimate of the total weight. And then 56 divided by 40 gives us an answer of 1.4. So 1.4 kilograms is an estimate for our mean. Done.